All right, I've been a lot of spot spraying in my yard, and I've lost track every now and then what I've sprayed and haven't. So I'm going to try this uh, spray pattern indicator. This is the Laser brand. I'm going to give it a shot. We're going to see what it looks like, how well it covers. This one here, I believe, for a 3-gallon sprayer is 2 to 3 ounces. This one I'm using right now is a 2-gallon, so I'm going to use 2 ounces in it. I always get a little water extra when I'm mixing my chemicals. That way I can. I always keep a little extra water when I mix my chemicals. That way I can rinse out the container. All right, let's go outside and see how well it marks the grass. All right, let's give it a shot. Still fighting a few sandbirds. If you've seen my past video, I've got most of them killed. I'm just kind of spot spraying them now. Yeah, it shows up pretty good. My goal is I want to be able to spray it and then mow my yard and not mow what I've sprayed. So this will do the job for me. It's my first indicating spray dye I've ever used. So, I mean, I've seen some reviews on some of them. Some of them say ain't worth it. This one here, that bottle I bought, I think I paid about $25 for that one. You can get a smaller bottle for about $10 of the Laser. So you can see it's doing pretty well. I want to be able to mark or see where I'm spraying because I have a tendency to wander around. I try to keep a straight path, and then I see something on the side, I go spray it, then I go spray somewhere else, and I wander a lot, so I don't always spray everything. And I want to be able to see what I've sprayed. So this will do the trick, I think.